So tonight's video is going to be over slope. So at the top of page 22, title your page, slope. So slope, which will be often represented by the letter M. So remember that. If you see an M, that means slope. Is the change in Y over the change in X. So another way you can put that is M equals Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Or M equals rise over, M equals rise over run. We should be familiar from the change or the constant rate of change. So these are three different ways that you might see slope. So slope can be found between two different points. So here I'm going to label my first point, which is -1, -1, 1, and my second point, which is 2, 3, 2. And this is going to help you for that formula M equals Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So I'm just going to fill this formula in now. So my X2 or my Y2 is my Y and my second coordinate point. So Y2 is 3 minus my Y1 is -1 over X2, which is 2, minus -1, which is my X1. And so 3 minus -1, both of these are going to be positive because there are two negative signs together. And that's going to give me 4. And 2 minus -1, remember both of these become positive, is going to give me 3. So my slope for these 2 points is 4 over 3, or 4/3. So for my second example, I'm given the points 4, -4, and 2, 2. So once again, I'm going to label these 1 and 2. So remember, my formula is Y2, so the 2, minus Y1, -4, over X2 minus X1. Negative minus a negative becomes positive, so I have 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 2 minus 4 equals -2. So I'm going to reduce this from here. 6 divided by -2 is going to give me -3. So my slope for these 2 points is -3. So for my third example, I'm given the points 3, 1, and 6, 3. So once again, I'm going to label mine 1 and 2. Y2, which is 3, minus Y1, which is 1, over X2, which is 6, minus X1, which is 3. So now I'm just going to subtract it across again. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And my slope is 2/3. Finally, here are 2 questions for you guys to practice with. The first one, you're given the points 0, 1, and 3, 4. And for number 2, you're given the points 4, 3, and 2, 4. And we just want you guys to find the slope of those points. After you found your answers, send your answers to Mr. Cohen's and myself on Edmodo. And good luck.